Welcome. In front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I'll show you how to wipe the cache on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. And wait for the device to actually shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay, so there was the vibration. And now we want to hold the power key and volume up simultaneously. Okay. Once you see the boot mode, you can let go. And from here, you want to select recovery mode, which is the first option, using volume up, like so, and confirm it with volume down. And then on the next screen, once we see the Android with no command, as we are right now, you want to hold power key and tap volume up once, like so. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you'll use volume up and down to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. Get a message on the bottom, wiping cache, formatting cache, and then it should say that it's complete. Okay, so as it's finished right now, you want to just tap on power key once more, considering that the reboot system now is selected, and wait for the device to actually boot back up into the normal Android system. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you perform this task, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.